Hello guys, welcome back to my channel GFS Tech. So today I will introduce you about the SQL Server Management Studio, and I am going to start the new playlist in the SQL Server Management Studio. So here we will cover all the topic which is related to the SQL Server. So I will show you that what we will cover in this SQL tutorial playlist. So I will open that SQL Server Management Studio playlist. So if you see that what I will cover in these tutorials, I will cover how to install the SQL Server Management Studio. After that, there I will let you know in the how to install means in this section I will let you know how to download download and install the SQL Server Management Studio. After that, after completion of the installation, I will give you the brief overview about the SQL Server Management Studio, how to use it that. So I will make a familiar with the UI of that SQL Server Management Studio, and after that I will let you know that what is database and the type of database in SQL Server, and what is the use of all database like a master model, MSDB and TempDB. So what is the use, I will let you know these things, and after that I will we will go to the practical, and there I will let you know how to create the database, and after that I will let you know, we will discuss about that the data types in a SQL server, how many data type in a SQL server, that we will discuss, and after that what we will do, we will we will use the I will let you know how to check the size and location of database where all the data is saved. So that things I will let you know, and after that I will tell you the some important query in the SQL server. So that query is we are using daily working. So what we are using there, so that I will let you know, and after that I will let you know the sub language of the SQL. So there are inside the sub language of the SQL there are the DDL command. I will let you know, inside the DDL command we will learn about that the create, sp underscore rename, alter, truncate and drop, and after that we will learn the DML command. DML, under the DML command we will learn the insert, update, delete, and after that DQL, inside the DQL we will learn the select command, and after that TCL command, commit, rollback, save point, after that DCL, grant, revoke. So I will make you the familiar with all these command, and I will demonstrate you all these command, how to create the table, how to alter the table, how to alter the data type, how to rename the database, how to truncate the data, how to drop the table, and after that I will let you know that practically how to insert the data, how to update the data, how to delete the data. Then I will let you know how many type we can select the data from the database, that I will let you know, and after that I will let you know that the commit, rollback, save point, what is commit, what is rollback, and what is save point, how we will use these, what is the grant and revoke. These commands come under the DCL language. I will let you know these command also. After completion of these command, we will move to the some basic concept of the SQL server. There are the one basic concept is alias name. So I will let you know how to use that the alias name. So there are the two type of the alias in a SQL server we are using. There are the column label alias and table label alias. So I will demonstrate you everything step by step in upcoming tutorial series. So in this video I am only just highlighting you so what we will cover in this tutorial series. So the next we will learn the what is the view, and what is the view, how to create it, and the type of view. There are the simple view, complex view. So we will cover all this topic, and after that what we will cover that operators. There are the operators in SQL server. There are the like assignment operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, set operator, spatial operators, and there are some other operator also. There are some other operators also in SQL Server, and after that we will learn about that the what is the set operators. So set operator, what is the set operator? Like a union, union all, intersect and except. How to use these union, union all, intersect and except, I will let you know these things. And after completion of this I will cover that system defined function, like mathematical function, character string function, date time function, aggregative function, group by function. So we will cover aggregative function, all these functions we will cover. After completion of this function we will move to the clauses. In this, how many type of the clauses in a SQL server, like a where clause, clauses, why we use that clauses in SQL server. So how many type of the clauses in the SQL server, that we will use where clause, top top and group by, having, roll up and queue, and how we are using these clauses inside the query. So that I will demonstrate you. And after that, what we will cover, after that we will cover the synonyms in SQL Server, how to create these synonyms, why we are using these synonyms. After completion of this synonym we will go to the constraint. These are the integrity constant, means we will cover that constraint and type of constraint, like a default constraint, why we are using the default constraint, unique constraint, not null, primary key, foreign key, then check constraint, composite key, composite primary key. We will cover all these concept. After that we will cover that the what is the join, type of joins, what is the join and type of joins, how to create the query using the join, we will let you know. So there are the many type of the joins, like left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, inner join, cross join, equi join, non equi join, self join, natural join. I will cover all these join there. What is the temp table and how to create, what is the temp table and how to create, what is the use of this temp table, I will let you know. After that we will cover the global temp table, how to use it in the real time environment, I will show you that thing also. After that I will let you know the what is the CT, how to use this CT table, and after that I will nested CT table, I will let you know how to use that nested CT table, so that I will let you know. After completion of this we will start the begin transaction, commit rollback, and save points. So transaction control language we will cover. So how these transaction are working, so we will cover this transaction also. After completion of transaction we will cover the procedure, how to create the procedures, and in the SQL server, why we use the procedure, and what will happen if we'll create the procedure, why we are creating the procedure, all these things we will cover. After completion of the procedure we will create the function, how to create the function, user defined functions in SQL server, so we will create the function. After completion of function we will see about the what is the magic table in SQL server, what is the use of it, and how to create the magic table. So after that we will use the triggered, how to create the triggered, and what is the use of the triggered. After completion of trigger we will learn about the merge statement, how to use it. After completion of this we will cover the minimum 50 interview questions, so that will help you to prepare for the exam. And I can guarantee you, if you learn all these question from start to end, then you can easily crack SQL server interview. Means for as a beginner, if you join, and if you want to start your career in a SQL server, so my personally request you cover all these concept which I have told you. So if you cover all these concept, definitely you will crack the interview basic. Means for the interview, for the beginner level interview, you can basically you can create that and crack that interview, so that is very easy to you. And if this video is helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I will see you in the next video tutorial series. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.